Everyone, my name is Anita and I'm Forever business owner. And the reason why I joined this business was nothing but the trying to find an answer to a problem that was disturbing me for almost 15 years. I tried a lot of methods basically, and nothing was giving me a permanent solution. In India, women are made to told that these kind of problems happen, you have to live with it and all that. But I, as a person who has never easily given up on any problem in life, could not digest the fact that how can there be a problem without a solution. And that's when my constant search for an answer led me to this particular product, which I will not call anything less than a magic, and that is nothing but Forever Aloe Berry Nectar. It is in fact something like Midas touch for me. We have solutions for every ailment in a human body through various chemicals. But what do these chemicals do? They give you a temporary relief and then they give you some side effects also. But I have a product with me that only solves problems, makes you a better person as such. It gives you positivity from inside, gives you more confidence, and gives you that energy that you have been trying to search for. Not talking too much over here. Everybody knows what aloe vera can do, what an apple a day can do, and what a cranberry can do. All of these combined in one product, it's nothing less than a miracle. The very thought of combining all these three magical products together itself needs to be applauded. And when all of these come together, the effects that it has on anybody who consumes it is magical. That's what I would say. So how did it help me? Basically, I was suffering for polycystic ovarian syndrome, something that is becoming more and more prevalent in the women nowadays. I think almost around, if the statistics have to go by, 6 out of 10 women are being diagnosed for polycystic ovarian syndrome. Lot of women are facing fertility issues. Lot of women are going through a recurring UTI. Lot of women are having problems that they don't want to talk about. They want to suffer in silence. My answer is, don't suffer in silence. Have this amazing product. This is one answer to all your problems. Replace your health drinks that are complete with chemicals with an organic product, and you will have good health for your entire life. Thank you.